Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Abdulaziz and my group members are Fatma and Amir Mustafa. The tool I am going to present is SQLmap. It is basically an open source penetration testing tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities and taking over database servers. It comes with a powerful detection engine, and it has different features like exploiting a database or dumping the database and its users or the data present in that available database. So we have set up a vulnerable website on our local host, which is DVWA, which is damn vulnerable web application. It is basically a PHP and MySQL based web application, which has different vulnerabilities and level of their exploitation from low to high. Some vulnerabilities are easily exploitable, and some are complex and require some extra efforts. So we will exploit SQL injection vulnerabilities with SQLmap. So first of all, we will proceed to SQL injection. So here is a input field which requires the user to input ID of something. So we will enter one and submit. So it returns the first name and surname of the user, which in this case is admin. So we will inspect that web page. Have the request, get request, and the cookie associated with our request. So we will use SQL map to list database and all this. Here we can copy that URL here, and then we will copy that cookie from here. Here it returns that the following parameter is vulnerable to SQL injection, and that give us the payload. Now we will find some more information about that database. So we will list. Here are the tables that present in that database. So we have two databases: users database DVWA, which has two tables: guest books, guest book, and users. And here we have then another table which contains different elements like variables, and it is basically the information schema of that website, which has different variables present in it. So our main concern is that users table. So now we will further enumerate through that table. So we can use the DB flag. Databases DVWA and information schema. So the main concern is the DVWA database. So let's use this database and list content of that database. -d flag for the database users. Also enter the column, all the columns in that table. Here we have user, avatar, first name, last name, login, ID, etc. So let's dump the database into our system and dump all the data that are present. Do you want to store hashes to a temporary file for? Have all the usernames and their associated hashes of the password and then cracked passwords. So from here we have exploited all the sensitive data from that database, which is usernames, their hashes and passwords. So that was a brief demo of SQL map and how to use it for SQL injections. Thank you.